So hi guys, today I decided to share my live coding session. So this is a real project that I'm just working on, and I'm going to show you every single code I'm going to make right now. So this is the final step that I'm going to make. As you can see, this page was for bookings, and I can just submit this form and confirm, and I've booked this thing. So first of all, I'm going to do first is to remove these things and add the success message, because here is I'm getting the result as one and I need to make it a success message. So it's very simple. So all I need to do, I need to go to the file where I'm just handling this file, and I need to delete this because it's the one displaying the unwanted contents. And I need to go here where we're saying echo. So I just want to add a new bracket, and this bracket should be a ternary operation, and I will say successfully submitted. And also, and in case it has failed, so I will add an error occurred. And like this one, and this is really a very simple syntax, and I'm gonna check through this course. I'm gonna go back to the form and submit the form again, and see now successfully submitted means that my data have been successfully submitted. But there is still a problem. These are the looms that I'm booking, and I need to check if the products are working. So these are products like coffee. So I'm gonna go to the place order, click on here, place order. Okay, so it looks like I haven't even linked the place order, so I need to do this first. But I think right here it's ready, so I can use this one. And okay, so I see that it's not really set. All I need to do, guys, I need to go inside here, inside my codes. I need to go to see where this card is being rendered. So I go in private, and I go in components, and I see where there is product card. So first, let me check the looms card, and I'm gonna check the URL that is being displayed, and it's very simple. And I'll go copy this link, and you see that this first one is called bookings, and another one is called, but this one should be a capital letter. So in order to just avoid conflicts, and another one is called orders. So it's right here, it's called order, and I should go inside this product code, and I check for the link, and I'm going to replace the contents like this one. But here we have the errors because these variables are not being defined. So what I need to do next, guys, is to define these variables correctly. First of all, I need to define the UUID. So it's very simple to do this task. So all I need to do right here, guys, is to go up inside here. I'm sorry, so it's not here, right here, and I define a new variable, naming it UUID, like this one, and I think it's the same thing that I've did here. So it's the same thing, so I should also copy this and I paste it here. And one more thing that I'm missing is the loom ID. So the loom ID should be the same as here, it should be the product ID. So I should also here include a new variable and name it product ID. Product ID. And this should be assigned to null when not defined, like this one. And I should also here include what I'm calling the product ID. product ID. But if I did these things, you see that I think there will be still some problems. You see that here I think the product, there is one more thing to change, so I should change this into order. Okay, like this one. Let me try visiting this link. Okay, so I knew that this won't work for sure because it is now set to null. So, and now means nothing. So all I need to do, guys, is I should go inside here. I should go on this page where I'm just rendering this. So starting from the home page where this card is rendered, and I should go into my home page. So the home page is not already here, and my home page is here, and this is the page, and I should go where I'm just rendering this this product, and I should add one more argument to define the product ID. So it's very simple. I need to define this one ID, which should be defined as product, and we just find what we call, so let's check here in the database how things are named. So it's product ID, so we just want to copy this exactly as it is. So now it's ready, and we're gonna add it as the last argument, like this one, ID. Okay, now I think it's ready. So you see now it's defined, and when we go here, you see now we can see our product. So next what I need to do is we're gonna fill out this form, and we're gonna see if this form actually works. Okay, so I start by my names, called with snow, and it's mail, and also I use my email. Okay, because I'm testing, I can even use a random email and even a random phone number. So I can also increase this number of items, and I submit the form. Okay, so values must be less than or equal to 1. So okay, this is a lot, this is really long, but let me submit it as it is. Here the problem we met is that we are getting no response, but before we just want to request for the response, there's one more thing that we should do, and we should take care of, guys. And guys, here is the thing. So the thing is this one. So we should go inside the order main light here on this page. So we should check if this form is correctly named, have the proper names. So we're gonna go here and find how the orders is structured, and we're gonna start with our form. So as you can see, guys, this form is actually looking the same as the one I've used before. So that's why I'm deciding to copy this form as it is, and I want to make some few changes. Okay, so I copy the form, and I'm going to replace it with this one because the forms are the same. Okay, so I'm going to replace it with this one, and now I paste it here. And here's the first change that I want to make. So I just want to change this module, so the module should be orders, because it is the table that I'm going to submit to. And next thing that I need to change here is this private there is word called total price. I can see the total price already existed, but it does not have the same name as mine, so I should replace it with name. So, and this snow loom is not really the same as what I'm using here, so that's why I use Ctrl D. Okay, so and here should be the product ID. This should be the product ID. Now the product ID is ready, and this snow room is really long. It's just a snow item, like this one. I should also change here. It's just snow item. And here I can see that we're done with these things. And next we go to the next step. There is full name is correctly stated. There is gender, but this gender is not really needed in this form, because when a user just want to buy a product, I think this is not really necessary option, but we can just leave it because we're still testing. And there is an email. There's an email address, and there is phone number, and there is check-in and check-out. We don't need this. Check-in and check-out is not needed. So there is quantity, and the quantity was defined in the form that we deleted before. So I think we need the form that we've deleted before. So I can't just lose this form because I modified some contents, so I just need this form. And let me just /break. Okay, as everything was before. Okay, so now it's ready, and the thing that we needed was this one, which is the quantity, and it's actually the last item. And all we need to do here, we're gonna take everything from here up to the form right here, and we're gonna paste new contents, and these contents are really ready to go with the form. Now our new contents are ready, so we added the snow item, everything is reset ready, and I think we're good to go. So let's save and reload the page. Okay, now the page is successfully reloaded without any error. So let's make a test and see if everything is ready. So I put my name is cars with snow, and it's mail, and it's cards with snow at gmail.com, and my phone number is +09, like this one, but there should be no letter, and let's leave the number of items like this one, and I submit the form. You see that the form was successfully submitted without any error. So, but I should also make sure that this is really true by going into the dashboard and see if the data is being booked. So I need to go to the hotel.com /dashboard, and inside the layout, that's where I'll be testing. I will be viewing all the orders that have been pressed. Okay, so we should wait, but guys, you should not understand that this is not being retrieved from the internet. Although I'm using hotel.com, it's a local. You can see this is not secure, it's just on HTTP. So let me show you. It's just on HTTP, not HTTPS. Means that it's offline. Hey guys, so it's really loading slowly, so I don't know the problem. So now it's ready. So once ready, so we go inside here, orders. I'm gonna see if my order was successfully placed, as I've seen. Guys, you see that the order with email code with snow and with the full name Snow and the phone number have been pressed successfully. And I can also see the product that have been booked. It's a coffee jar. This is the product that have been booked. I can see the order date. You can also modify the order as a website admin, guys. So guys, I can say thank you for this session, and in next session we'll be starting hosting this website to the live server. Thanks for watching.